Live from the center of the universe, it's Cat News. And here's your anchor, Smiley Muffin the Cat.
Good evening. I'm Smiley Muffin the Cat. This is Cat News. Tonight, our top story. This morning, the man spilled water on the floor near the food bowl. Apparently, he was trying to fill the water bowl. Luckily, no paw pads were dampened by this clumsy, unfortunate failure to keep the area around the food bowl dry. Cats everywhere are advised to be wary of failure. In other news, a leading expert at the Institution for Cat-Related Observations has concluded today that my nose is made out of the same material as my paw pads. Startling study. Today in our feature report, Other Cats. What's their deal? I sat down with an expert to get the real story about these fucking assholes. I'm sitting here with feline veterinarian Dr. Will Abelson. Dr. Abelson, thanks for joining us here on Cat News.
My pleasure, Smiley.
Dr. Abelson, you're an expert on other cats.
Well, yeah, cats.
Why don't they just all go back to hell?
Well, yes, Smiley, a single cat is at a disadvantage when it comes to socialization.
I have an extra toe.
Well, polydactyl cats, or mitten cats, or ship's cats.
Which means I have an extra paw pad.
Yeah.
Doctor, I have a secret to tell you.
What is it, Smiley?
I am nude. What a fantastic interview. I have no memory of what it was about. Now let's check in with the Kibble Bowl report. Conditions at the Kibble Bowl are half empty with a 30 to 45% chance for wet food later on in the day. And in foreign affairs, bad news from Iraq as 4 GIs are dead today when an improvised explosive device struck their Humvee 6 miles outside of Najaf. Their families will soon receive flag-draped coffins. Finally on Cat News, this just in. Canaries. From the Cat News studio in the center of the universe, this is Smiley Muffin the Cat signing off. Have a pleasant evening, and I'll be sleeping on your feet, so don't move them around a lot, or else I'll scratch them with my claws. Thank you, and good night.